विवेकानंद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज देश की एक अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशन में एक है। ये अपने आप में ये यूनिवर्सिटी से कोई कम नहीं है। मैं आपको बधाई देता हूँ।
Delighted to see such beautiful work is going on in this beautiful atmosphere.
Visited VIPS today, and it's, as we all discussed, it's a very auspicious day because this is the day when Vivekananda ji delivered his famous speech in Chicago, and I'm very fortunate to be here today. I have gone around the whole campus, and what I've observed is that the institute has kept up far ahead of the rest of the institutes that I have visited. And I was very happy, especially to see areas of my interest, which is VLSI and semiconductors. So very good to see that there is a very strong program here for VLSI design.
So today morning, I was given a tour by Chairman Sir, and I've been amazed at the facilities and the breadth of courses that you are doing here, from law to engineering, management. So, and especially I was very happy to see the quantum lab, because that's one area that's really close to my heart. And in quantum computing you have a beautiful lab, and I think to the national quantum mission you can make great contributions out of this. So thank you for inviting me. I'm really happy.
I can tell you, you have just the right infrastructure in order to be able to take the AI leap in this university and this campus and become a lighthouse for all the universities around. It's been a pleasure. It's been like a pilgrimage visiting here, I can tell you easily. And this place is slated to become the mecca of what artificial intelligence will determine as the future of this country. Thank you very much.
VIPS has the right mindset, right leadership, sir, and everyone here that has a vision to really propel India to the world. So I think now is the time, and let's make India the future. Thank you.
आज विवेकानंद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज़ में मुझे आने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ, और आज के पावन दिन पर जो विवेकानंद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज़ ने लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड आदरणीय बजरंग लाल जी को दिया, यह बहुत ही उपयुक्त दिन पर और उपयुक्त अवार्ड आदरणीय बजरंग लाल जी को दिया गया है.
And what I am really touched by is the kind of facility which has been extended by the institution for the benefit of the students. The library, the moot court hall, the classrooms, everything is absolutely perfect.
So it's a हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में जो सर्वोच्च संस्थान है उनमें से विप्स जो है उसका स्थान बहुत ऊंचा है. The VIPS is truly blessed in its name and spirit. इसके नाम भी पवित्र है और इसकी आत्मा भी.
डॉक्टर बस से मेरा रिलेशनशिप, मेरा संबंध उतना ही पुराना है जितना आपकी अदालत. और मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि ये जो करेंगे अच्छा करेंगे, बड़ा करेंगे, और आज जब इस संस्थान में आया तो मुझे वाकई में गर्व है डॉक्टर बस ने जो क्रिएट किया उसके लिए.
So what is a leader basically? Like it says, what is a leader? Leader is a person who can make a common man do uncommon things basically.
So I want to congratulate Dr. Vats for creating an institution right in the place of Delhi. Despite all odds, he's done it. I believe he sold his house to start this institution.
और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ और शुभकामनाएं भी देता हूँ विवेकानंद इंस्टीट्यूट को कि वहाँ पे जो मास कम्युनिकेशन की पढ़ाई हो उनमें इन्हीं ठोस का ख्याल रखा जा रहा होगा, और यहाँ से जो स्टूडेंट्स निकलेंगे वो शानदार और उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी सच्चे पत्रकार बनेंगे. खूब शुभकामनाएं.
And the future means that you have a lot of challenges in front of you. And the challenges will be tough. Some of the challenges may make you cry, may make you want to give up. I do hope that such challenges come in your way, because those who will cross that path, those who will cross that obstacle, when you want to give up, when you will cross that obstacle, you will be taking the first step towards being champions yourself.
Gone around and seen the infrastructure, and I'm sure as time flows by, every institution matures, and so will VIPS reach greater heights. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.